Nowadays, manners are easy and life is hard, meaning one of the fundamental problems and significant obstacles with the whole modern culture, society, and people is that they always consider manner, character, behavior, integrity, morality, and all of the virtues and values to be very easy and simple, and they can be also very easily achieved and executed. At least that is what the modern education and people think and teach to one another, when in reality, manners actually have always been difficult, complicating, conflicting, and they obviously take a lot of effort, intention, and ambition from each and every one to develop, because manners are individual and never collective. Now, if we are mannered and mannerful because of our integrity, morality, character, transparency, understanding, compassion, honesty, and sovereignty, then we have developed all these qualities one after another individually and one person after another, and not that everyone and all the people have become suddenly wise, intelligent, authentic, sovereign, distinct, understanding, sovereign, and honest, but that one has learned from the other as to what they should think, do, become, and perform in their individual lives. So that's how this paradox works. But the problem, as I mentioned earlier, with the modern culture is that it always considers the development and achievement of manners easy, when in reality, as I mentioned earlier, manners are significantly difficult to develop, and they're also troublesome to acquire and execute, obviously because of our looming ignorance and underlying arrogance, aggression, and unresolved desires, emotions, and buried tragedies, pains, conflicts, miseries, etc., that we have not been able to come to terms with because we buried, neglected them, refused. But in reality, manners and its development goes through all these processes, and the conquest of the past, the management of our ignorance, arrogance, and the final cultivation, integration of all our shadows into ourselves. But life, on the other hand, has been considered and declared to be very hard by the modern society, when in reality, life can be easy if we're willing to live with happiness, unity, harmony, not within ourselves, but also with each and everyone. If we are able to live unitedly, harmoniously, and happily with each other as a society, then obviously life will be easy, it will become easy. But manners are still difficult.